binuklat ing Clark Media Center para karentala pamalita king Central Luzon, apeni muna ng CDC. Ay report ng Patricia Mamang.
Formal neng binuklat ng Clark Development Corporation o CDC ing Clark Media Center inyang Lunes, April 21, kasan metong ing Kapampangan ni Media Incorporated o KAMI at Central Luzon Media Association o CLMA Pampanga Chapter. Ing bayong pasilidad ang makadaton king Clark Freeport Zone, kumpleto ya king conference area, waiting room, atlong opisina, pantry at kitchen at atlong comfort rooms, adinisenyo para kareng talapamalita. Pwede muna ng CDC President at CEO Attorney Agnes VST de Varadera ing inaugurasyon ng nukarin pepasyag na niting ulaga ng Media Center bilang lugar para kareng reporters at media practitioners.
This is how we should be working. And see, look at what we have. It is even better than my office. And for every room, there is a CR. O yan. Tumataas ng kilay ni Soray. Kasi ang mga rooms namin, walang CR. Sorry Hindi pa natapos. So, but we want to give what we can to the best of our ability because we think that this partnership between CDC and the media sector will have to be strengthened. Well, and it is reflected in the edifice that we have. Edifice na tawag ko. You know, this is better than choosing somewhere along the parade grounds because there is vulnerability to be there.
Tinagon mo naman king okasyon dina CDC Vice President for Administration and Finance Jose Miguel de la Rosa, Vice President for Engineering Services Terry Chotuico, at Vice President for Security Services General Lina Sarmiento. Megsilbing tubod naman king media dina CLMA Pampanga President Mark Sison, Chairman Boy Santiago, Chairman Emeritus Bong Lacson, CLMA Regional President Deng Pangilinan at Rick Sapno ning KAMI. Ako po, Patricia Mamangon para king News Force Pampanga. Balitang tutuking balen, susuyo.